Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Where makeup is the passion, and so is fashion. Well, today I'm showing you my collection of miniature handbags. One of them I recently received as a Mother's Day gift from my son. This one, and I love it. And the other ones I received from myself as gifts along the way. So let's start off with this one. Now, you have seen these already in past episodes. And this one is the flower one. Isn't it cute? It puts me in the mind of the 70s. Just gorgeous. It's kind of simple to me, but yet elegant in the same sense. It does not fit a cell phone. None of these fit a cell phone, by the way. Let's get that out of the way. Basically, you have to hold your cell phone in your hands. These are just basically for going out and having a good time at a ball or something. Now, I don't go out to balls and stuff, or galas, but it's good to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So maybe one day I'll come across a guy who will take me to a ball or something and I'll have these purses. So isn't that cute? And like I said in the past, I like a design that carries on to both sides, not just one. Alright, see if I can reopen this. Alright, so this comes with a bag of gems. So just in case something falls off the purse, you can replace it. Comes with a shoulder strap. This is not a crossbody by any means. I don't know if you guys can hear the weather going on, but it's trying to rain outside. So it's thundering and storming and stuff. Alright, so let's show you the one that my son got me for Mother's Day. And this is what it looks like. And this design carries on to both sides. What it looks like at the bottom. If I can open this with one hand, I should be able to. I did it in the past. Alright, another bag of gems. If some falls off, you can replace it. Another shoulder strap. These are not crossbodies. None of these have crossbody straps, by the way. Let's get that out of the way. There are no pockets in here. Will not fit a cell phone. But it is a gorgeous, gorgeous purse. This here is my favorite. My son did let me pick it out. Told me to get whatever I wanted. Did not matter for price. And I told him, I said, you know, it's going to be past $250. It's going to be up there. He said, does not matter. Get you whatever you want. How he does love to spoil me. And I love spoiling him too. He is my only child. And he is spoiled. I love this purse. One of my faves. It's one of my faves. Alright. This one you guys have seen before. This was started off the collection. This is the zebra hat. And it is yellow, goldish yellow for the nostril area. Isn't it pretty? When I saw this, I fell in love with it. Carries on to both sides. Silver in the inside. Which most of these have been gold in the inside, so that's different. Shoulder strap. I just have it in my hands. Here's a bag of gems. So if some fall off, you can replace them. There are no pockets in the inside. Will not fit a cell phone. Okay, what's keeping it from closing? There we go. Nice clutch closing sound. That's what it looks like at the bottom. Isn't it just so pretty? This is my second favorite. No, this is my third favorite. This is my second favorite. Oh my goodness. Didn't think I would like it so. It is an apple. An apple. Not even a red and green apple. Now I did see this, after I bought this one, I did come across the red and green apple. I was gonna buy it, but the company that I was gonna go through, they no longer works with the other company because these are made to order as you order them. The company that they get them made through went out of business, so then I went to a secondary company that also deals with the same company, which I did not. That's how I found out that the company that they deal with went out of business was through the second company, and that's when I found out that the company they originally get them made through went out of business. So I'm not gonna be able to get the red apple with the green leaves. But I love this here. Isn't this gorgeous? This is my second favorite. And then the zebra head. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Let's see how do I get into this one. Oh my goodness. I just so love this. Okay, how do I open this? You know, it's on the side. It's different from everything else. There we go. It is gold on the inside. There are no pockets. Here's the shoulder strap. Here's the packet of gemstones. If one falls off, you can replace it. I love this bag. Oh my goodness, this is just so pretty. I can't wait to carry this. I need some place special to go so I can carry it. It is heavy though. It's so very heavy, but it's so very pretty. Just look at it. So gorgeous. This is the bottom of it. It's got like a indenture in it. Indent. Indented in the middle. Look at that. Just so pretty. Let's set it back in this little golden box. Look at that. Oh, isn't he just so pretty? Isn't he just so pretty? So gorgeous. My little 4 starter purses. And I'm not done. I plan on getting more. I want to get a lion for my mom's birthday. So I'm gonna have to start off early. I'm gonna order in July so it can be custom made and be done by August, which is her birthday month. But other than that, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. God bless.